Me work with my own science. And it have 17 duppy and an extra clip.
Alright, bossy. So what the next assignment?
Your next assignment. Whispers. Soon come.
Goody. Oh, one. When nobody know not worry about women there, you know. I'm really sorry for putting you through this again. Yes, so I'm tell you somebody did want to talk to you. It's because 2 days before that, I go home and I find a note in the baby crib with a bullet in it. Yo, that show me a different reality. It's like we freak out instantly. Marcus is one wicked, you know, and him relentless bad. You see all him puppet? I go too far now. I didn't know if falling back in love with Carter, you know, was a big mistake. I never expect to get pregnant either, but I just the works a job. So I have to protect CJ at all costs. Carter might have good intentions now, but the same pass, it affect me and the baby. Just decided to go myself and regroup. So I just want you know say, me not hurt or anything, but me a hurt because of the situation here. We reach out every now and then, but for now, I don't want nobody know what me there. We message father still, and I tell him when can I find the key for go and use the studio. Him tell me say him interested in the bar as well. But Bubbles, trust me, I never planned for this. And I wish we did say before we made my decision. But you did obviously busy. So just make 5 know some good to hear, and we'll keep in touch.
Whispers. Me message you with your other assignment. Never move. Hello, Shappy. I'm curious. Why I never use the deli side of the shop?
The section they not to work, you know.
So what you used to do over that side, yeah?
We used to do hot dog and burgers and sandwich and them thing there. You know, I say, but the community people them never really catch on. Why?
Because I think you can work out so you can start it back.
So you would deal with it?
Of course. Then I'm here in the shop.
Alright. You think about it. You talk to 5 and hear what she say about it, you see me?
So everything you have to tell 5?